Hey sweet friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Neely and I'm the face behind the classroom journey, and I'm sharing my teaching journey on YouTube. In today's video, I decided that I would sit down and discuss a few activities that I've been using with my toddlers and my preschool students in my classroom at my school. Today you will kind of see behind the scenes of what we've been using to further educational skills with our students, and these are simple activities that you can create at home or print off online, and they're super easy to do. These are pretty much free activities that don't really cost you anything but help further your students' education. Also takes up a lot of our educational time, so that when we sit down and we discuss these things, we usually do it as a group and we all talk about it. These are so helpful and we like to do these all the time. We usually implement these strategies every single day in our classroom, so I hope you enjoy them and you try them out as well. And if you try them out, let me know and tell me which one is your favorite. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started in this video, and I'm going to walk you through a few different activities that are super simple but also very beneficial for your students. So let's go ahead and get started. The first activity that I'm going to discuss is this shape matching activity. It is with Velcro, and you basically cut out shapes and have the students match them to their corresponding shape. This helps them see the shape, what it looks like, how many sides it has, and also help them remember the names by stating them out loud while they are putting it on the corresponding shape that it matches with. And this is the perfect activity for those who are beginning to learn shapes and who are also just practicing. The second activity that I'm going to discuss is actually a color matching game. So this is a DIY that we did. Basically, you go ahead and cut out pictures, Velcro the back of them, and then have Velcro on the sheets that have the colors, and the students go around and match the corresponding object to its correct color. This is a hands-on activity that is helping them see real-life objects in different colors, helping them with their vocabulary and growing their knowledge in different colors. This third activity is another shape activity, but it matches real life objects and their shapes. It teaches students that there are real life objects that have shapes, like octagons and stop signs and hearts, and it's just really fun for the students to get that hands-on activity. This is another Velcro activity that we used, and we made it ourselves. Another hands-on Velcro activity is using hot and cold items to discuss and study what is hot and what is cold. It's teaching our toddlers what to expect when they see these things, if it's going to be hot or cold. For our older kiddos, we start moving into some name tracing practices. You can get these straight from online if you look up free tracing practice sheets and put them in a sleep protector to have this for over and over again practice. This is helping them beginning to learn how to write their names, the shapes that the letters form, and it's super helpful. Last but not least, I talk about this all the time on my channel, but stickers are such an awesome fine motor skill activity, and I do this all the time with my students. Once a day, we usually sit down and do these stickers. I let them choose what kind of stickers they want, and today my student chose these dot stickers. These are so perfect for color coordination and just in general getting that fine motor skill.